Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class 2011 to 2018? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class safeguards key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling components. It ensures efficient power distribution and dependable vehicle performance. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class manages and protects rear electrical systems such as lighting, power tailgate, and rear comfort features. It ensures stable power flow and reliable operation of rear components. Front prefuse box. The front prefuse box in the 2011 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class safeguards high current circuits for major systems such as the starter, alternator, and power distribution. It ensures efficient energy flow and reliable electrical performance throughout the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.